Hi everyone, I'm Chief Meteorologist Betty Davis tracking Hurricane Matthew. The closest approach to South Florida is still expected on Thursday, and we want to give you a timeline as parts of our area could expect tropical storm conditions, if not hurricane conditions, in Broward County. So this is what we're looking at: middle to upper Keys, heading up toward Broward County, where hurricane conditions are possible from Broward northward. So on Wednesday, squally weather expected to start late. Thursday is when those winds are expected to peak, and by the way, rain is still going to be possible on Thursday. And then on Friday, that's when those winds are expected to subside, and then heading into the weekend, planning on some drier weather for the region. But on Wednesday, look for the breeze to build, especially late at night, and notice the rain chance at 50%, as there could be some bands of rain wrapping into the area as Hurricane Matthew is poised to get closer to us. Then on Thursday, rains associated with Matthew and those winds reaching their peak at some point upon its closest approach. And then on Friday, we're going to find those winds subsiding and bringing the rain chance down to 40%, and hopefully getting into some sunshine for the weekend and weather that's drier. That's the plan for now. Remember, make sure you're prepared and keep it tuned to Local 10 for everything you need to know regarding Hurricane Matthew. Have a great Wednesday.